Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here how you actually start to add a layer on Figma. First we have to start to realize something. We can start to underestimate on its progress. It is really to be depending on how we can start to engage through every single situation that we can start to live in it. So what we're gonna do is about to be really satisfied with a situation that we want actually on it on the layer. So we have to start to go to for any tool that you want actually on layer, which is really like rectangle or something like that. So I will drag it, and then maybe we can start to go for a certain moment which we about to be about which dragging a type of canvas or something to that creates a new layer. But actually we can see that is really something that is easier than anything that we want right here with plugins. And then manage plugins. Now start to type layer and select the layer, start add, and this will about give you a layers that you want to add it by the plugins.